Okay, so boom, now we have support for video calls in Streamlined. This is pulled basically out of HighLevel, and it's right here with your phone calls from HighLevel. So if you're doing like intro calls and then demo calls on Zoom, you can have those both in the same place. Don't mind these Amazon links. I'm just checking out these Prime Day deals, trying to replace this old-fashioned piece of paper. Anyways, so I just want to show you how this actually works, basically how you pull in the meeting, because right now it's not fully automated, but there's a pretty good solution for it. So basically the way it works is in your settings, under call transcripts and analysis, we have add video meetings from notes. So basically all you would need to do for this to work is get your meeting transcript into the notes of HighLevel for the contact that you had the meeting with. Now I do this manually right now. I use Fathom. They don't have an API, but depending on your meeting transcription service, they might have like Fathom does have a Zapier integration. I can't be bothered. And then if you use something else, I'm sure they have like a Zapier integration, and you could probably have that put into HighLevel. I don't mind doing it manually, but once that's in there, all we're doing is we're checking if that new note contains this piece of text. So basically what you want to make sure of is that all of your notes, all of your transcripts have some kind of unique text in them. Like that could be your email address or your name if it's like speaking, like your full name if it's in the transcript. Whatever the case may be, it should have basically some kind of unique identifiable text that we can always use to know that this is a meeting transcript. And so basically all we do is, here I'll show you an example. A webhook from HighLevel comes over like this, and this is out of Fathom. So when you press copy transcript in Fathom, you get something like this where it says Streamline Founder Meeting. It has the name of the meeting, the date, and then it says view recording. It tells you the duration, which is important because we want the AI to be able to know what the duration is, and so it can show up on this table that we were looking at right here. So we have the duration. So the AI basically pulls that out. And then we also have the call recording URL, which is nice because if we go over here, just like with a phone call, we also have our transcript page, but this is external. It takes you straight to Fathom. And as you can see in Fathom, this is where you copy the transcript. It's a super nice system. And I actually recommend it for this. I think it's pretty convenient. So that's basically the entire system. Then of course we have sales grading, just like we have with normal phone calls, and also summaries, just like we have with normal phone calls as well. And yeah, this should be huge. I do a ton of video calls. I know a lot of people using this do a ton of video calls, and it was kind of a pain in the ass to get this working. But now, boom, yeah, that's it. It's working. It's good.